Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to search by industry here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To search for records by industry in Salesforce, you can use a few different methods depending on your needs and goal. The industry field is typically available on standard objects like accounts, but may also exist on custom objects if configured. Now, here's how you can search by industry using different Salesforce features. Number one is once you are logged into your account, you might want to hover to the app launcher. If you can type in industry, you don't have it, all right? Click on sales because it would forward you to the global search. Now, in the global search, you might want to type in the top tenor. This is the global search. This is going to be the Salesforce page. Type in the industry you want. For example, you're looking about technology. If it have, or maybe health, or production. You see that? Production or product list. So these are going to be some of the options. All right, click on it. So these are some of the industry that you wanted. Now, you can also hover to creating a dashboard right here. Click on new dashboard because that would lead you to the or just say, for example, this one. I wanted to add a filter that includes an industry. For me to be able to do that, I'm gonna click on edit and there's gonna be a filter. Now here, I can put in the industry, right? In display name is industry, all right? But of course, all I have to do is select one. Say, for example, I'm gonna be choosing maybe technology, or the industry is YouTube content creation. It's an example, all right? You can choose healthcare, technology, music, manufacturing, and a lot more. You can add filter value if you want. Say, for example, this is about education or consultant. Click on apply. Basically, now I can search the dashboard by filter using the industry, all right? So that's another two ways. Now, another way is if you hover to your account right here, there should be a gear icon that says list view. Now here, you can create a new one and create an industry. Say, for example, the name is going to be around, accounts by industry. All right. And of course, all users can see this list view. Click on save. And again, you can choose whether you want to make the list view visible only to you or share it with others. All right. Now, another option is go to the report. Click on a specific report that you wanted to see that. This is going to be a report made from industry. All right. You can edit the this one. Click on edit. You see, there's going to be a filter option here. You can add a filter, for example, a product name. All right. Field name is going to be accounts by industry. All right. And then click on apply. So these are some of your options. And of course, in searching by industry, all I have to do is click on save for now. After that, you might want to click on run to see the report because you can choose the industry that you want. For example, technology, YouTube creation that we have created, or even manufacturing. You can save the report for future use by clicking on this, and also have the option to enable editing at the end. Now, these methods are ideal for more technical users or administrators who need precise control over their queries. All right? Because by searching Salesforce and industry, you are looking for quick results that needs detailed reporting. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.